we're always looking forward. In fact, the latest version of our software, Nexar, is relatively new. It's really come out and been established within the last couple of years. The business has been around for over 30 years now. When the business started, you may have heard of the Piper Alpha disaster in the North Sea back in the late 80s. On the back of that, there was a report and an investigation done by the government. A lot of the then oil and gas companies, oil and gas operators, started looking at how they can do their operations more safely. So part of that was, how do we inspect equipment in hazardous areas, help them comply with the new regulations that had come in with the Cullen investigation and the Cullen report. So that's how Arnlea started. To be in Aberdeen, we're close to many of our customers, and because of Aberdeen's credibility and reputation, it allows us to access a resource pool that knows the energy business, knows the even the technology here, and our customers, whether they're in Aberdeen or otherwise, understand that, and it's definitely something, even for our global customer base, that allows us to differentiate ourselves and be seen as a credible provider.